Hey guys, we're live at 8:57, battling for Jimmy's Brown Snake Yoda. He looks neat. I like him. I got 10 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. I'm going to paste our 10 spots right in here, which you can see there are 10. Going to roll the dice. Got to get a 5 or better to play. We did. We got a 6, so we are battling. Good luck, Yoda lovers. Here we go. Chad takes round 1. Trent round 2 with number 1. Nate takes round 3. Jeff 4. Robert in the top spot for round 5, our next to last round, which means our winner is Robert Gilmore. And at number 5, congrats, Rob. Here's the verification to make things official. XXMIDK is the verification code and official results. Robert Gilmore in at number 5 is the victor. I am done. Consequently, at 8:58 p.m. There she is. There she is one last time. Robert in at number 5. Congrats. See you guys. Thanks.